Last month, Talene was stuck at a commercial gym making $800 per month, working 5 to 6 days per week, working from morning till nighttime, and giving 85% of her earnings away to the gym. Today, 30 days later, she's making $4,500 per month all online, working even less hours than before, without posting daily content, endless reels, or even having a massive following. She even has complete location freedom to visit her family in Egypt for months at a time, instead of being limited to 2-week vacations because she has to come back and train in-person clients. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna give you the exact same strategy that Talene used to escape the 9-to-5 hustle inside the commercial gym to building a thriving online fitness coaching business in just 30 days. This is the same system that's helped over 532 coaches also build successful online fitness coaching businesses without the normal social media grind. But here's what we're gonna cover in this video. I'm gonna show you how to leverage your current existing clients into high-ticket online programs, our proven DM script that's gonna allow you to convert clients, our 14-day challenge that's gonna help you convert your first 15 online clients, and our exact system that our coaches are using right now to sell high-ticket online programs for over $1,000 a piece without being famous. Let's start with leveraging your current client base right now. Chances are you've been stuck at this commercial gym from anywhere between 2 months to 2 years, and you've been wanting to escape the grind, but you just don't know how to start online. But the biggest mistake that fitness coaches make when trying to go online is thinking they need to start completely brand new. The current clients you have right now may have started at the facility because they already had a membership, but the reason they're gonna keep re-signing is because of you. You bring a lot of value to them and their life, and they see that you treat them more than just a number. And this is what turns them into loyal clients. This start from scratch mentality is exactly what's keeping you stuck in the same place month after month, probably already living the lifestyle, but you just don't know how to package this all together so you can start charging high ticket online. Most commercial gyms are literally just offering the workout. But we all know that if a client really wants to see results, they need a lot more information and a lot more accountability, like a full-on training plan to follow when they're not with you in the gym, a meal plan to follow so that way they actually see long-term results, and somebody who's actually gonna be checking on them weekly to make sure they're on track. And if not, give them the adjustments that they need. And this is exactly where your knowledge, experience, and value comes into play. After helping hundreds of personal trainers escape the commercial gym grind, we've seen that these clients are gonna be more than happy to support you on this new journey you're about to start. And it's understandable, this is a massive leap, but that awkward conversation that you've probably been putting off having with those clients is gonna be the one that you wish you had sooner. We're gonna thank them for the opportunity that allowed you to be able to train them for the past couple weeks or the past couple months. And we're also gonna let them know that you're excited to announce that you're starting your own business. You're finally ready to take the leap and reach this next level. And no pressure, but you would be honored if they were to follow you onto this next chapter. And because you're gonna be providing even more value and accountability through one simple training app, 9 out of 10 of them are gonna say yes. And although I'm sure you have people following you on social media right now, friends, family, and acquaintances, maybe even people from high school, but converting these in-person clients to online is gonna be 10 times easier than trying to find a new client. They've already seen how much you care for them, so you probably don't even realize it yet, but you've already done majority of the selling. Even if you've only been working with these clients for the past couple weeks or the past couple months, odds are you probably already have some social proof built from them. You probably have a couple transformations, and I'm not just talking about before and after photos. It could be texts, emails, or reviews from these clients saying how much you've changed their life. And these current clients are gonna be more likely to refer you to their friends, their families, their coworkers than a normal stranger would. And this is the exact same strategy that helped Talene sign her first batch of online clients in her first 30 days. Now let's dive into exactly how we're gonna create a sales process that doesn't require you to be famous or have a massive following on social media. A common misconception that fitness coaches have when trying to go online is they think they need thousands of followers to be able to sell programs. But why does this happen? It's because coaches fall in this social media trap thinking that they need to go chase views and post dancing videos and try to go viral instead of giving valuable information. But the only thing that this promises is you being stuck in this content hamster wheel with no clients and no money. Another issue we see very commonly with coaches trying to launch their business online is that they don't have a lot of confidence in themselves or their programs. So they charge super cheap. Not only will this keep you broke, but it's gonna attract the wrong type of clients because good isn't cheap and cheap isn't good. But let's talk about what works. How do I sell these programs if I'm still new to coaching online? I don't have a big following, but most of all, how do I sell it with confidence? But here's how we're gonna flip the script on selling. Instead of trying to fearmonger these prospects, we're gonna dive deeper into the consultation process, asking them more questions to dig below the surface level issues. And then this is where we're gonna present your offer as the solution that they need to get to their dream state, making it a no-brainer for them. And this is how they're gonna have their cards out ready to buy. Because here's the thing, sales is a massive bottleneck that most commercial gym coaches have because they have the fear of being salesy or sleazy. But sales is really just helping, and we can't help somebody unless we get them to cross the bridge. But by being able to understand these clients on a deeper level and being able to provide even more value to them is exactly how Talene increased their income by 500%. Next, let's dive into the 14-day launch strategy. You might have already posted that you're taking clients online, or may have seen other coaches post this, but get zero traction. In a perfect world, we would post up that we're taking on clients and we would get flooded with leads, but that's just not how business works. If your social media page isn't optimized yet, then you probably haven't given new prospects a reason to even trust you. Because yeah, looking the part kind of helps, but if someone's gonna give you hundreds or thousands of dollars, they're gonna need a little bit more trust. And this is why our 14-day challenge crushes even for brand new coaches. You're gonna be able to reach out to all your current clients, your followers on social media, your friends, your family, your friends from high school, and give them a taste of what your program is actually like so they can feel what it's like to have a coach without even paying for one yet. Is 14 days really enough time to transform somebody's life? Probably not. But it is enough time to show people that their only issue isn't that they wanna lose weight and they don't know how. It's also they don't know what healthy foods are. Even if they do, they don't know how much of them they're supposed to eat. And even if they're only walking around the neighborhood for 2 weeks, they're gonna feel really great about themselves. And this is exactly why we created the 14-day challenge, to seamlessly upsell these prospects into your high-ticket online program. Because these prospects will literally be thinking, wow, I got all of this for free. I can only imagine what the paid program looks like. This challenge is gonna allow you to build trust and position yourself as an authority without a big following. Next, let's dive into building scalable systems. And the major reason why some coaches do get started but end up struggling is because they're trying to do everything manually. But it's actually super simple. We're gonna show you how to create a Stripe account. So not only can you take payments, but you can set up clients on recurring monthly payments. So this means no more chasing down clients for payment. And if you are taking payments on Venmo, Cash App, Apple Pay, or any of those type of platforms, it may not be too difficult or confusing if you only have 5 clients. But if you really want to start scaling past 30 clients and reaching those record months, you need a platform. You need to stop chasing down clients, and it also makes you look a lot more professional. Another misconception that most coaches have is they think they need to go create a new platform or a new app and spend thousands of dollars before they can start training clients. And although you can spend months or years doing that, we walk all our coaches through how to use a white label training app like Trainerize that will allow you to start taking clients on day one. This is really the best client management tool where you can run your whole business on one platform, allowing you to deliver way more value to your clients and working way less hours. And because you'll be able to track workouts, meals, cardio, photo check-ins, and allow messaging access 24/7 to all your clients, you'll finally be able to scale past 20 clients with quality. And because she was able to apply these systems and give even more value to her clients, this is exactly what gave Talene the location freedom that she was looking for too. And lastly, let's talk about community and mentorship acceleration and why it's a massive game changer. But first, let's talk about why you haven't taken the leap to start coaching online yet. Because there's so many moving parts in this business, you've been stuck in analysis paralysis and scared to do it solo because you've been scared of failing. But let's be real, you could take the time to figure out all on your own. The sales, the lead generation, keeping clients happy so they want to stay with you for a lot longer. That's exactly what all the other coaches do, and exactly why they're stuck anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000 per month. An example of this is if you have a client that's coming to you and wanting to lose 20 pounds. They could take the time and energy to figure it out all on their own, or they can invest into you for your years of experience and proven methods so they can get there faster. Both methods could work eventually. But let's talk about how our coaching community is like a cheat code and is gonna fast track your results. Not only does every new member get access to our program, but we're gonna walk you through exactly how to create an irresistible program that's gonna have a client feeling crazy saying no to, how to convert your Instagram from a selfie gallery into a client printing machine, how to become a sales pro, how to create a dope community that's gonna have your clients wanting to stay with you forever, but also provide bi-weekly support calls to make sure you're not only getting even more information, but make sure you're getting the support that you need. Being in this network with our coaches is like a cheat code because you're gonna be around other like-minded coaches who are also trying to reach record months. You're gonna be learning from their wins and also their mistakes so you don't have to learn from your own. Being in a mentorship is gonna dramatically increase your success rate because just imagine somebody throwing all these proven methods in your lap and being available for you 24/7 if you have any questions about any of it. And it's this community support that helped Talene achieve in 30 days, which she couldn't achieve on her own in 1 whole year. And right now you're probably thinking that you need all this endless content, you need to be famous on Instagram, you need to be posting every single day. But Talene proved that's just not true. She went from $800 a month to $4,500 a month without any of that, using the exact same system that's helped over 532 online coaches build successful businesses. Just think where you're gonna be at in another 30 days from now if you continue to give away 85% of your paycheck, working from morning till night, spending so much time away from your family, and being trapped by somebody else's schedule. Don't wait like Talene did. Her only regret was that she didn't start sooner. If you're tired of going through the motions and you're ready to take action and you want to start your online fitness coaching business all online and become the coach that's actually hitting $10,000 a month, then click the link down below. The blueprint is waiting for you. The only question is, are you ready to take control of your own future?